Hey guys, welcome back to Moonlit Studios. So it's time for the final reveal. A quick recap. Okay, so here's one learning out of my first air dry clay project. You need to use acrylic colors, so that is where I went wrong. So yeah, getting back to coloring the chair. I wanted to keep it very simple and very basic so that the cat and the dog stand out. I went for olive green color because I mean, if I would have a chair in my apartment, in my room, I would definitely keep an olive chair with a pillow, and the pillow would be maybe a floral design of some sort. Also, completely unrelated, the sky today is so beautiful. It's just therapy for me. Also, I think this is the reason why I love traveling so much. Okay, coming back. So the chair is almost done. I also added the pillow and I thought of making it a little bit of floral. So I thought, why not paint cherries on top of it? So yeah, that's what I did. And I like the color combination of olive green and baby pink. I think it looks very pretty. So I was scrolling Pinterest the other day and I found this chair with the cat attached to the chair. I took that as a sign and I created my own version of the chair. I love how it looks. Now, this guy, the cat. So, the cat is very special to me. I'll tell you why. So, there was this cat called Boopy Cat. Oh, yeah, that was the name I gave him because he had a very tiny black colored detail below his nose. And I don't know, I just love the name for him. So the stray cat, he used to come all the way to the 11th floor where we used to stay, get in the lift with any random person. You know, he used to roam in my apartment as if he used to live there. The kind of happiness, the kind of warmth, the kind of care they bring, so nice, you know. And I remember there was this day when I had a very bad fever, and out of nowhere, he showed up. Like, how would he know that I'm not well, right? And there was just so many fun times with Boopy at home. You know, he used to just come in the morning, sleep all afternoon on our sofa, and then leave in the evening. And I love how Boopy Cat turned out. Okay, so now going to the dog. I didn't think much about the dog. I just wanted the dog to give some beagle energy. So I wanted to paint the dog brown with a little bit of black patches. So yeah, that's about it. And I think the beagle looks nice. The cat and the dog, they both look so adorable. And you know, I added this magnetic thing. Either Booby Cat or the dog, either of them can sit on the chair. Every few days, I can, you know, switch and either make the cat sit or make the dog sit on the chair. I truly want to have a cat and a dog as my pets in the future, even tomorrow, who knows. So I have a chair, I have a cat, and I have a dog. I also glazed them. I used a clear nail polish because I didn't have resin, and I think it turned out pretty good. I have read somewhere that you know it gives a little bit of yellow stain over a period of time, but I think for a project that's not going to be sold and it's going to be just mine, it's fine. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video and thank you for creating with me. And I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a good day. Thank you. Bye.